So we have discussed how to run while loop and also for loop. So in this video we'll discuss how to work with the do while loop. When it comes to do while loop, it will execute the loop first. That means whichever statement there, it will execute first. Then after it will check the condition. It will do all the statement part. Then after it will check the condition on the first iteration, right? Here you can see example do while loop. We are entering a statement inside loop. It will execute. Then after it will come to condition. If condition is true, it will again execute. Again it will come to condition. True, it will execute. Whenever this condition became false, on that time it will come into false part. That means it will exit from the loop. So this is a simple one, right? We'll do one example. Then after you can get the idea. Now I'm going to create one loop. Before that I'm going to add the integer. We'll give number is equal to 10. While, so I'm going to use do while loop, right? Do system.out.println number is equal to num. I'm going to print the number, but condition is what? While number greater than 20. Now condition is false, right? Because number is less than 20, not greater than. But it will print however one time number is equal to, that means number as output. Number is equal to 10. You can see it is printing number is equal to 10 because we are doing this part first. Then after we are going to check the condition. So this is what is happening here. Or else you can change this same code into something like this. This time it will print the number. Then after number minus minus, condition will be until number greater than 0. Until number greater than 0, we are going to print this one. Now what will be the output in the second one? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. It will stop. Then after, because condition is false, whenever number became 0, on that time condition will became false. I'm going to comment this one. Right, we will do another example. This time I'm going to launch a missile. When you launch a missile, first you need to do the counting. Then after, do the checking. Or first are you going to check the condition. Then after you are going to check the counting. So which way you are going to do? For example, integer count will be equal to 10. I'm going to do something like this. While, okay, we'll do something like this. Integer or string launch will be equal to true or permitted. I'm going to add permitted. Then after, do system.out.println missile launch started. Now I'm going to add the condition, right? While launch is not equal to, launch is equal to permitted. So we have to use our keyword launch dot equals permitted. So we have some situation, right? In a situation like this, you can't use do while loop, right? Because first you have to check whether we have permission for the launch. Otherwise it will launch the missile, then not it will check the permission. So now you can see it is executing infinitely because this condition is always true. Because of that, or else you can put a break keyword, or else you can put a not get here. Okay, we'll discuss break keyword and continue keyword in the next video. So remember this thing, you can use do while loop, but condition, before checking the condition, it will execute the statement. It will print the statement. After that, it will check the condition. So remember this one.